So you've heard about quality endorsed companies, you've heard about ISO 9001, you've heard about having quality in your processes. But one thing is, how do you actually check the job? Measuring. How accurately can you measure something? So I've spoken about what it's like to be a quality endorsed company to ISO 9001. One of the key advantages we've got here at Moxon is our ability to precisely measure very accurate parts. When I say accurate, I'm not talking about a millimetre, half a millimetre, 1/100th of a millimetre. We've got the ability to measure something with 1,000th of a millimetre. We do that by having a machine like this. A CMM stands for a coordinate measuring machine. It's in a temperature controlled room. It's able to measure, it's able to produce a dimensional report. It's registered back to a NADA traceable certificate. So if you need something calibrated, something measured, something reverse engineered, I strongly urge you reach out to us. Machines like this are very difficult to source, they're very expensive, but what they can do is enable you to take on a job like this and take a measurement that no other machine can. If you want to know more about it, come over and have a look or give us a call. We're more than happy to show you around.